Hey friends, TUXX here. For this particular video, we'll be unboxing this 5K, not 4K, 5K Wi-Fi Ultra HD camcorder, okay? This is available on Amazon, and it's a really good value in camcorders. In fact, I'll say I have, if you go back in the queue, you'll see I have like $1,000 Sonys and different ones, and I have a number of these cheaper camcorders for different things, like environments where maybe I go to the beach, or sometimes like maybe I'm a little worried about getting ripped off or something or whatever. They do a great job, you know, and we're gonna put this one to the test. We'll see what accessories come with it, and we'll check it out together. But I've heard really good things, and I've never had one that's 5K, so this will be an interesting experience. This is how it comes from Amazon, and before I go further, I should mention there will be a link right below, so be sure and click that link to get yours at the very best price, okay? But yeah, you can see they're really proud of this 5K. We got 5K here, 5K up here, flip around to the back here, nothing there, 5K there. This is model AC09, by the way, okay? And handheld camcorder, dual lens. That's an interesting concept, okay? And that's pretty much it. So yeah, so pretty good stuff here. The box, you know, it's not OEM, but kind of a basic box, you know. But you know, this is giftable. It's wrapped very nicely. It comes very securely from Amazon, so I was really happy about that. Let's go ahead and unbox here. We got my scissors flying all over the place. I'm very excited to open this up and see what this is like. I really want to check out the 5K part of it and see how that makes a difference in resolution and quality. I've been using, for recording, I use a combination of Sony camcorders, Sony cameras, and cameras like this, and I do have a number of like less expensive like GoPros too I use. Alright, so opening up the box here, we're pulling up in this little tab here. There you go. And right from the get-go, again, they're like 5K Wi-Fi 3-inch, okay? Very interesting. They have a code here, so you can email them if you like, and you can get more information about it. It says a timely on-my response within 24 hours, blah, 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 blah. Any thoughts? Greatly appreciated. So that's cool. They want feedback. I like that. And let's open this up here. First, we're greeted with a very large AC09 book. This is probably like your standardized book in like 8 different languages or so. Talks about features of it. Here, let's go down to the English one here. Let me see if anything stands out to me. Talks about the different buttons, as you can see. And I think you guys pretty much know how to use a camcorder as far as, like, you know, record, play, pause. Looks like the battery pack goes in back. That's interesting. And that looks like a standardized battery. I'll have to find out more about that. The lens looks like remote control sensors in the front. That's interesting. Does have an external microphone, it looks like. Looking at some of the stats here, it looks like we have, does photos, does video, MP4 video, 5K, looks like is 5K and 4K, getting tongue-tied here. Front camera has 16 times digital zoom, anti-shake BS, okay. That's an interesting way of putting it. White balance, pretty much all the standard things you'd want to find on a camcorder. Has built-in speaker, HD support, Wi-Fi. I don't usually use Wi-Fi in these camcorders at all. Looks like it does have an IR remote control. The battery is a lithium-ion NP180, which I think you can buy those aftermarket, so you can buy more of them if you want. And then it does have DC power too, so pretty cool stuff. The LCD screen is 3-inch. That's worth mentioning. Okay, and the PC port is USB 2.0, and that is high speed. So pretty cool stuff. The weight of it looks like it is 297 grams, battery excluded. Okay, battery probably adds a lot to it. And then there is a Wi-Fi guide here for setting up the Wi-Fi too, so it'll take you through step by step and help you get that Wi-Fi set up. And again, I usually don't use Wi-Fi on these at all, but it's interesting it has that feature, so you can actually connect via Wi-Fi. So interesting, you can transfer stuff and such, okay? All right, good deal. Looking at the inside of the box here, we have a lot of accessories. Wow, there's really a lot of stuff in here. This has one of those square fronts. I don't typically use these. You know, it does give it kind of a professional, like, square, like, lens look to it, as you can see. Kind of like that, you know. I don't typically use these. I'm not sure. I mean, it's kind of a hood. I guess it helps prevent glare a little bit, maybe. If you have an answer to that, let me know, like, why you'd want to have this on an inexpensive camera. So here's remote control for you. Little remote, pretty typical. Looks like it uses a watch battery kind of thing. Here, we'll take this out and look at this real quick. There we go. Nice kind of metal look to it. Little clicky. Not bad. I mean, not all camcorders have a remote. I think my Sony did not have a remote. Sony camcorder, no remote. So it's nice it has that. Looks like we do have some adapters here. This feels very heavyweight, actually. A little metal adapter, so I guess for tripods and such. Very cool. Here is our USB-C cable. And although I have a lot of USB-C cables, as always, I always appreciate when they do include new cables with new devices. You never can have too many USB-C, okay? And that's what that looks like, USB 1 or A or however you want to call it. I just call it USB, and that goes to USB-C. That you probably have a whole bunch of devices that use that, okay? All right, we'll put that to the side here. Looks like we have some little thing we'll throw away. Here is this a microphone? Camera? Okay, let's check this out. This is different. What on earth is this? This is like a holder for the camera. So you can like kind of like a steady shot thing. And a lot of camcorders don't have this actually. I've had to buy this externally. And this actually feels pretty good quality actually. It feels like it's like, well, this is rubberized down here, like grippy rubber. This is plastic, but it feels like metal. This is heavier than just plastic. Definitely some copper fittings in here. So I would say this is not bad quality for an inexpensive camcorder, quite frankly. And then here's the base here you can screw things into or screw it into a tripod. So very cool. Nice little touch. Will I use this? I don't know. Maybe. I might. Let's see what else we have in here. We have, it looks like it is a HDMI cable to a mini HDMI cable. I typically don't use these. Usually I record things on camcorders and then I just transfer the files to a computer for editing. That's just my little thing. Okay, so here's a microphone. So it does come with an external microphone, which is nice. And it actually comes with batteries. You know, I appreciate that. Or battery, I should say. Looks like it takes one AAA battery. And you have some information for the microphone here. We'll take a look. Like its own little instruction packet here. And there's a microphone. So I guess they sell these. This is a KT-G1 mic, which, you know, I think I have one of these with some other device. And it wasn't too bad for being like a free pack-in microphone. Not bad at all. It is super, so it's kind of like more front-facing as far as catching the sound. And you can see there's a graph if you want to pause it, you can take a look at. But, you know, for a free pack-in mic, not bad, guys. Looks nice. Got the little foam up there, and here is where you put the one AAA battery in. So that's interesting. It's powered too. Sometimes you just get power off of the camera itself. This is plastic, the fitting here, but you know, not bad, not bad at all. All right, continuing on. Let's see. It has a little mini tripod included. That's nice. I don't know if I'll use this, but a little plastic tripod. So they really, again, this kit comes with a lot of things you would need. And a lot of these things might cost like, you know, $5-10 for the tripod. You know, the microphone could cost $20. Like, it's neat that it comes with so many little accessories. And these are probably 2 batteries, I'm guessing, looking at this. We'll check this out here. Okay, this is a smaller battery than what I thought. It looks very similar to the Sony battery. I'm not sure if it's an exact match, but I would say this is a standardized battery. You can get more of these quite easily, and it does come with 2 of them here. We'll take a look at the other one, make sure it's okay. It's interesting, it comes wrapped in like this paper cardboard as opposed to plastic. Yeah, so you get 2 batteries, which is a nice touch actually, so you can have one charged up and one in the camera and then swap them and such, so very cool. Alright guys, now the moment you've been waiting for, check out the camera itself. It does come with a little camera bag here, which is pretty cool. Oh yeah, guys, check it out. You got a nice little nylon case, like some little leatherish type material. That might be real leather. I'm not sure. It looks good though. We'll open this up. We got Velcro, and inside here is our camera. So, you know, it's cool. It even comes with a little case. You know, that's a nice touch. And it even has a little strap. You can strap it onto a tripod or something, or a backpack. So, pretty cool stuff. Again, love the fact it comes with nice accessories. You can always buy other accessories later yourself if you want. And look at the camera, guys. So teeny. Actually, that feels pretty good. Yeah, that feels real good, actually. You know, I don't know if I'll use the whole rig on it, but it's nice it has it. There's a screen for you. We got buttons inside here. Looks like there is a spot here for a memory card. Oh, that flips down. That is a nice touch. A lot of these have the pull-off thing you lose. So I like the way that just flips down. Very cool. And here's our spot for USB-C for the microphone. And that is the HDMI out. Okay, and here we have buttons for LED, power, playback, menu, okay, up, down. And then there is a speaker lens right there, or rear lens. Oh, that's neat. So you can kind of do selfies and stuff. Okay, not all camcorders have that, so really cool. This, I'm assuming you can flip this around too, so you can spin it around so you can be front facing, which is good. So it's nice that flips. And let's go ahead and check out the top here. So here we have, oh, it's interesting. We got like sporty glossy blue. Very cool, very sporty for the buttons. And here's a spot for the microphone. So this, you can pretty much just take off. And for the microphone, I'm sure you guys have put a battery in before, but we'll go ahead and show you anyway, just in case you're not familiar with AAA batteries. So these are aftermarket batteries, and it's good. You can buy these pretty much anywhere, you know. You can get supermarket, dollar store, Amazon, or whatever. And this just goes in just like this. So it being a powered microphone, actually, that is a good sign of quality. The fact that you're going to have that extra little oomph, that power going through it. So that makes me feel even better about this microphone, tell you the truth. And then this part right here, you can just attach right up here, just like that. And then you just tighten that down. Very cool. And then this is definitely a fingerprint magnet, though. I can tell you, I'm getting fingerprints all over this crazy thing. Now, one thing which I'd say might be an opportunity for this unit is I kind of wish the microphone here would plug in over here somewhere, because it wants to plug in through here, but that means when you actually shut this lens, you're going to have to take off the microphone or unplug this, which I guess you might, but if you're like me and you're recording things on the fly, you have to be careful, because now you don't want to like shut this and break that, you know, because sometimes when I'm recording out like at the beach or something, I might just take this out of a beach bag and throw it in the car seat or something, you know, but you have to be careful. You don't want to break it. But I guess one good point about this is a, you know, less expensive camcorder. So if you do break it, you're not going to break the bank either, you know. The battery just pops in just like this, very simple. Now looking at the menu here, we got a lot of things. We have mode, dual camera, and so that's that selfie cam. I think I want to turn off that dual camera, though, I'll be honest with you. It looks like, oh, that is touchscreen. Oh, that's nice. Wow. Okay, sweet. So let's do front camera only. There we go. Resolution, you have some choices here. You got 4K, you have 2.7K, 60, 2.730, and 1080p. And it goes down from there. You can actually go down in resolution if you want. And if you're recording something, oh, wait, look at that. There's that 5K. Let's click that. I want to see that in action. Okay, so 5K is front camera only. Color, we have loop recording. Slow motion, that's cool. Time lapse, white balance, exposure, record audio on, date setup, light metering. Okay, so everything looks pretty good here. We'll do the date setup real quick. Now, I do like the way this does have a single shot for camera, which is really nice. So you can just click that and just take like one shot, and you can change modes here too. So pretty cool. And here's the exposure, and we can go ahead and hopefully you can see this here. We're going to zoom on in. Here we go, zooming in and zooming out. And it is 16 times zoom, so not bad. Now, one thing interesting about this white square here makes it look like it has a external light, and I have not seen a menu item for that yet. For the external light. Let me go ahead and peel off the plastic here too. We'll break that in. Always satisfying. There we go. And we'll hit menu again. And I wonder about lighting. What is with that? Going through the different menus here. Color, loop recording, resolution, slow-mo, time-lapse, white balance, sharpness. Maybe it has to do with the white balance. I really rarely see these with actually a light meter average. Okay, I guess just for the light metering, but that is really weird. I'm not used to having a sensor like that on the door, so pretty interesting. It kind of looks like it would be like a light, like a front-facing light, but I guess not. To recap, this is the Ultra HD 5K camcorder model AC09. Great little setup. Lots of accessories. Is this $1,000 Sony? No, it is not. But do you want it to be? No, you don't. This is like an inexpensive camcorder. This could be a great gift for somebody who's just aspiring to be a YouTuber, or maybe for making family videos, or doing some videos where you're a little weird about you taking your expensive camera out there, you know, maybe at the beach where sand could get in it, or it could get ripped off or something, you know. Great little camcorder. You know, I would have no qualms just mounting this on the outside of my Corvette, you know, doing some car videos going fast. Thing flies off and gets scratched, no problem. You can just buy another one, you know. It's it's a great little way of filming video that's not going to break the bank. That's the point. If you guys have any questions about this 5K camcorder, let me know. I could do a follow-up video or answer some questions, but I think it's a great way of getting going. If you're thinking about buying an inexpensive camcorder, this one honestly comes with everything you need, you know, microphone, battery included, you know, and again, it's 5K, so that's something to consider, you know. And I do like the fact it has that little selfie cam, so if you want to, you could actually record like external content and you can record your internal reaction to it. So that could be really good for like cons like BlizzCon or Pokemon Go Fest or something, you know, if you want to be on camera, you know, at the same time as shooting footage. So really good stuff. You know, it could be a family photo, like, you know, some kind of day at Disneyland or something, and the dad filming or the mom filming wants to be on camera, as well as filming the family, like, you know, hugging Mickey Mouse or whatever, you know, just a lot of great uses. So anyway, guys, I babbled enough. I thank you for making it to the end of the video. You guys have a great day, okay? Bye-bye. Click the link.